Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to use Meta AI in Instagram. So, let's dive right in. Before we jump in, let's quickly understand what Meta AI is. Meta AI is a suite of artificial intelligence tools developed by Meta, the parent company of Instagram. It's currently in limited testing, but it offers some pretty cool features. Open the Instagram app and then tap on the direct messages icon in the top right corner. Next, open an existing Instagram chat with a friend or group. Tap on the message box where you type your message. Start typing "I'm Meta AI." As you type, you'll see a pop-up suggesting Meta AI. Tap on it to activate the AI chat. Now you're connected to Meta AI and ready to explore its capabilities. But if you want to chat directly with Meta AI, go back to Direct Messages and tap on the Meta AI icon in the search bar. This will redirect you to the Meta AI chat. Here are some things you can do. Ask questions. Just like a regular chat assistant, you can ask Meta AI anything from general knowledge to fun facts. And Meta AI will provide you with a bunch of information about your question. Recommendations. If you are stuck on what movie to watch or where to eat, you can ask Meta AI for suggestions based on your interests. And Meta AI will blow your mind by suggesting the best recommendations for your interest. Generate images. This is a cool feature. Use the prompt, "Imagine," followed by your description, and Meta AI will create an image based on your words. Meta AI has a deep understanding to judge to your prompt and design images according to your imagination. So that's it. Now you know how to use Meta AI in Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. And let us know in the comments below what you think about Meta AI.